Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to cancel Paramount Plus subscription on iPhone. Now, the first thing you should do is to simply go to your iPhone settings. Then once you go to the iPhone settings, you should click on your cloud picture or your cloud profile right here. Then you will get this page. Now you'll have to click on subscriptions down below right here. Then here, as you can see, I have already canceled my Paramount subscription, but I will use something similar in order to demonstrate how to do it. So here, as you can see, let's say that Disney Plus here is Paramount. I'm gonna click on it. Then once you click on it, it will show you here this page. It will show you when will it renew and how much do you actually pay per month. What you should do is simply click on cancel subscription. It will ask you if you want to confirm this cancellation. Just click on confirm, and here you are. Now we have canceled the Paramount Plus subscription. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.